morning, Iloilo. So right now I'm here at Leganes, which is actually part of Barangay Gua-an Leganes, and partly also of Nabitasan Leganes. As you can see there, the Katunggan Eco Park. So this is actually just after Leganes crossing. When you turn left on the coastal road going to the Leganes proper, and then just few meters away from the BMEG plant. So this road right here is leading to the area where the Iloilo Guimaras Bridge will start. So we're gonna check it out today, which is part of Barangay Gua-an Leganes. So this road, I think, is almost a kilometer away from this coastal road. So we will try to check out the area where the bridge crossing Guimaras will start. So from this view right here, I am actually like midway from the main road. So you can take this path going to the coastline or the beach area. You will gonna walk along the salt beds on the sides, or you could just go straight going this way and then go into the Eco Park. So we will try to explore the Eco Park first. So I arrived at Katunggan Eco Park, but the problem is there's no one here. So this is actually an eco park with the mangroves where you can walk around along the mangroves with some bamboo bridge. I came all the way from there, from the main road, which is actually around maybe a kilometer away from the coastal road. So since it is closed, but you can see the gate from here, you just walk a few meters away. It is closed actually, so they have locked, but you can walk along the bamboo bridges that they made. So but I have to walk along this muddy path here so that I could see the Guimaras Island. So we will try to explore this. I think I am midway across this somewhat like a fish pond area. So I started from there, which is near the Katunggan Eco Park, and then I still gonna walk further down. So that is there, the coastal area or the beach side. So we are close to the coastal area where you can further down. I think it's actually raining right now. So this side here is, I think, where the bridge will start. So we have some folks here, some few of the houses that live here. So I will try to go further ahead. So this is now the beach area where you can see Guimaras Island. So this is still part, of course, of Barangay Gua-an Leganes. So the most probable site would this be on these coastal areas here, the beach side, where the bridge maybe the approach going across Guimaras, because this area here is the closest going to Guimaras crossing. As you can see from there, that is now the coal plants. So this beach side is around maybe more than 1 kilometer from the main road. And we have settlers here.